Roll-on waxing kit. Professional quality results right at home. The kit contains wax warmer, 1 small and large all-purpose honey wax cartridge with roller heads, pre-on, wax off, and 15 large cloth waxing strips. Follow these simple steps to get smooth skin. Step 1. Prep with pre-on. Make sure your skin is dry and clean. Step 2. Warm up cartridges. Step 3. Roll away. Roll a thin layer of wax in the same direction as hair growth. Step 4. Apply strips. Gently press strip down in the direction of hair growth. Step 5. Remove. In one quick motion and with skin taut, quickly pull off strip in the opposite direction of hair growth, parallel to the skin. Step 6. Cleansing. Wipe off extra residue with wax off to clean sticky residue after waxing. Lovin' and buzzin'. Enjoy perfect skin for up to 4 weeks.